Meaning of egoist.
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 Egoist. Egoist refers to a person who puts his or her own interests above others and lacks consideration for their feelings or needs. This type of person is often self-centered, believes they are superior to others, and focuses primarily on their own desires and goals. The egoist may disregard or even harm the well-being of others in the pursuit of their own satisfaction. While being self-assured can be a positive trait, excessive self-focus often leads to negative consequences and harms interpersonal relationships.